So let's see if a diff run of the week, morning will be fun from user. Okay, so it's a
user
robot.
323716.
It's a robot. It's not someone.
We got to make a nickname for this person. Call the person Jerry.
Jerry. Okay. Jerry's asking what data visualizations are there for showing n relationships mapping between data input and output names. Okay, we have some complicated words for Monday morning.
So our friend Jerry on UX Stack Exchange has a problem, a big problem. So to kind of summarize, we have unlimited amount of items that could be mapped to also an unlimited amount of items. What we were trying to discover in this problem was basically how to visualize that in a way that's really useful and doesn't get in the way. As a user of a bizarre device management software, I must comprehend how devices are renamed and grouped. And so we made a ton of assumptions going into this problem and had a few different thoughts. First of all, do we actually need to visualize this? Maybe it's just a data table sort of thing or something like that. We wondered if we need to depict diff. Do we want to see groups? Should we try data table tree navigation? Do we need an overview experience in here? We weren't quite sure. We didn't know also if there's a workflow implicated in here. Filters and sorting are going to be important parts of this, especially as we think about scaling and that idea of like 1 to 1,000, for example. We did consider entity resource diagrams as a bit of an inspiration, but we really wondered if it was worth it because there's only 2 levels of hierarchy here, but they are really built to scale in a real way. So we start off our page with a lead space, or the part of the page that gives context to users of where they are and what they're going to find in the page. We basically created a card layout, so similar to things you might see in an org chart software or something like that, where we have a card which has a description in it, as well as the ability to see more details and then expand. So this is a one-to-one that we're showing here, but the idea in this experience is that it's canvas-based. If you think about different software where you can draw or things like that, the canvas itself scales really well. So that's kind of what we were thinking about for this. We also suggest that there's some expand functionality, like expanding all, or maybe other viewing options that might make viewing this a little bit more simple. That's what we thought of to solve your problem, Jerry. These are the most assumptions we're going to make all week, right, Benoit?
Yeah, that's enough visual love for today unfolding before your eyes.